Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this browser issue on OBS. For example, I'm trying to add browser under sources, but it is not displaying here. Even I tried to find the solutions on internet, but I'm not able to find it. Some people are telling that we need to change the settings in advanced tab. They mentioned to disable these sources. Even I have disabled, the browser is not coming under sources. So what I'm going to do is, if you have more scenes and more sources, first thing we need to take backup of settings in OBS, and this scene collections also I'm going to take backup. Then go to file, here go to show profile folder. So here you can see this profiles list, whether it's a default one or which you created. Going to basic. So here you can see this, your scene collections, what and all scene collections here, that will be saved under scenes folder. And your profile settings, the configuration settings, which is very important. Whatever the settings you have set for streaming or recording, or even the recording path, or even the constant bit rate, even the video output resolutions, even the encoder, everything will be saved here under configuration settings. So this is the important one. So I'm going to close it now, giving OK. Now we need to take backup of these profiles and scenes. Before taking backup, just close your OBS Studio. Clicking on basic, here we can see profiles and scenes. This one I'm going to take backup. Just copy this folder and save it on your desktop or any folder in your computer. So I'm going to save it on desktop, new folder, backup. Super cool. Now I'm going to open this folder, copy and paste it here. Successfully I have taken the backup of OBS Studio profiles and scenes. So now what we need to do is, now we need to uninstall OBS Studio and we need to reinstall OBS Studio. Now I'm going to uninstall this OBS Studio. Everything I'm going to uninstall. Super cool, it's completed. So this is for Windows versions. OBS is successfully installed. Finish. After reinstallation, I'm going to open this OBS Studio. It will be asking auto configuration wizard. As of now, I'm going to give cancel. Now we have the fresh OBS Studio. So there is no sources, there is no scenes, and all default settings you can see and the output. So this is the default streaming setup. We choose advanced, you can see the default settings for recording and default path. After importing the configuration data, my previous settings will be updated that you are going to see now. So I'm going to give cancel. Now we need to copy these profiles and scenes to OBS Studio. Go to file and choose show profile folder. Need to click on this basic. Here we have to copy the profiles and scenes from the backup. Before that, we need to close this OBS. So this is the backup one. I'm going to copy it, copy, and here I'm going to paste it. You can delete and again paste it. Super cool. I think all data are there. And scene collections, I'm going to verify. Yes, everything is there. Now going to open OBS Studio. OBS Studio is loaded. Now I'm going to verify the settings. All settings are applied perfectly. Now need to go and verify on output. Yes, super cool. This is the bitrate I have set in my previous settings, that is displaying perfectly. Going to verify on recording. That is also perfect. Even advanced tab and even the path, saved locations. Super cool. Everything is perfect. All the settings are perfectly loaded. I'm going to give OK now. Settings are loaded perfectly, but there is no sources and scenes. So what you need to do is, you need to go to scene collections. Here you need to choose your profile here. So because we have exported before, and that I'm going to assign it export to OBS. This is the name I have set it. So I'm going to tap it. What are all the sources and scenes I have added, that is displaying now. Now I'm going to verify the browser. Super cool, browser is enabled now. So this is the way you can fix the browser issue in OBS Studio. Always take backup of your profile, because your profile is having this configuration settings of OBS Studio, and you need to take backup of scene collections. So both, it's very simple. Take backup of profile and scenes. Just copy these two folders in your computer. Then after reinstalling OBS Studio, just place it here. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put the comments and feedbacks made from. Thank you. Bye and take care.